AWS Savings Plans can save you money, but if you choose the wrong plan, they can also waste money. Because a savings plan is not just a discount, it is a commitment to spend a fixed amount every hour. Here's the simple version. You commit to a dollar amount per hour for 1 year or 3 years. AWS gives you discounted pricing on eligible usage. If your usage goes above the commitment, the extra is billed separately. If your usage drops below the commitment, you still pay the full committed amount. That is where the risk begins. The first type is Compute Savings Plans. This is the most flexible option. It can cover eligible EC2, Lambda, and Fargate usage. It also works across instance families, sizes, operating systems, tenancy, and AWS regions. So if your workloads keep changing, this is usually the safer choice. You get flexibility, but not always the highest discount. The second type is EC2 Instance Savings Plans. This can offer deeper savings, but it is more specific. You commit to a particular EC2 instance family in a specific region. For example, M5 instances in North Virginia. It works well when your EC2 usage is stable and predictable, but if your workloads move, your commitment may no longer fit. The third type is Database Savings Plans. This is for companies spending heavily on AWS database services. AWS currently covers 10 services under Database Savings Plans: Aurora, RDS, DynamoDB, Elasticache, DocumentDB, Neptune, Keyspaces, TimeStream, DMS, and OpenSearch Service. That is important because database spend can quietly become one of the biggest parts of your cloud bill. But again, the rule is simple. Only commit when the usage is predictable. The fourth type is SageMaker Savings Plans. This is for machine learning workloads on Amazon SageMaker. It can help reduce ML infrastructure costs, especially when teams run steady training or inference workloads. But if AI usage spikes and disappears, overcommitting can become expensive. The biggest mistake companies make is buying savings plans based only on last month's bill. But cloud usage changes, traffic drops, services shut down, workloads move, AI demand changes, databases scale up and down. And when your commitment does not match your real usage, the discount turns into wasted spend. This is where Usage.ai helps. Usage.ai looks at your actual cloud billing and usage patterns, then helps find the right savings opportunities across AWS, Azure, and GCP. It works at the billing layer, so it does not need access to your production workloads. And if usage drops, Usage.ai can help protect against underused commitments through cashback or cloud credits. AWS savings plans are powerful, but only when they match your real usage. The goal is not just to get a discount. The goal is to stop paying for cloud you do not need.